In today's video, we'll be going over the AeroPress. The AeroPress is a really great coffee maker. It can make single cup or multiple cups, and it can also make cold brew. In this video, we'll be making an 8-ounce cup of coffee in this. So let's get to it. So with the filter in your basket, you'll just attach it to the bottom of the AeroPress and put it on your cup. Be sure to rinse your filter. Now, I use 18 grams of coffee. You can use however much you want. The more coffee you use, the coarser of a grind you should be using. Then you just kind of level it out. Now you add the hot water. Now since I'm just doing 1 cup, I'm just going to fill it to the 1. Now stir for about 10 seconds. And put the plunger on. Putting the plunger on stops it from dripping too much more, which you don't really want unless you are done. Now you press it down slowly but firmly, and if you come up on resistance, just give it a pause and then go back at it. And at this point, it's coffee concentrate. So you can add milk and make a faux latte, or you can add water and make kind of like drip coffee, which is what I'll be doing today. And there you go. So a little bit of information about the AeroPress. It's an immersion brewer. It's really quick. I brewed that cup of coffee in a little bit over a minute maybe. It makes a really, really sweet cup of coffee. One of the best things about the AeroPress is if you like coffee stronger, you can add less water. Or if you like coffee a little bit milder, you can add more water. And you can also control the temperature of the coffee with the water. And another trick you can do is brew the coffee in advance and have it as a concentrate. And once your guests come over, you can add the hot water to it and serve. And enjoy your coffee.